right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. And yesterday, I informed you that we did start the left side of our corridor or the left side of our maze, and we did one side of the corridor. Today, we finished the entire side, the other side of the corridor. And you can see here, this wall right here is cutting off our entrance to the maze. That's because this is the way we're going to enter it. You can see it's connected to the wall out here. This is one long solid wall, so this is how we're going to get into the maze. But just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to walk right through it to show you that the entire corridor is done, because the other side of this wall is part of the maze. So we're actually going to just walk through it now and see that the entire corridor is done with our torches, with our sconces in our torches. Let's get a no walk down the corridor now. We can start doing that. And I've been having an issue with the mouse all morning. It's kind of acting like it doesn't want to work, but it is moving slowly now. You can see I'm not going to walk the entire corridor. So it's going to take probably entirely too long the way it's moving now. I'm just going to get on the other side of this wall and show you that it is done the entire length. And yeah, we're going to start on the next corridor after this, which is probably one of the longer ones. So it's going to take even longer than it did today, which took a couple hours to get all of this put together. So this is it. We crossed over through the solid wall. Now we're in the actual maze part that is functional. You can see its entire corridor is done, both sides, left and right. We have our sconces and we have our torches lit. You can walk all the way down, or as much as we can, before I get frustrated with the mouse movement. But yeah, so the entire corridor is done, left and right. Now all we have to do is build out the back side of the maze, and we can move on from there. So let me actually show you what it looks like from the top perspective, so you can see what section is left that we have to do. We don't have to do the out perimeters because, of course, the outer perimeters are still outside, so we don't have to add torches to those. It would defeat the whole purpose. So yeah, let's get a top perspective. If this clicks over, we can get ahead and get over there and get a look at it once it decides to click over. Okay, so this entire thing is done here, and this entire thing is done here. So you can see we don't have any torches here because it's outside. It would defeat the purpose. And we were just inside this corridor here. This is the one that was cutting off the first half of this maze here, and the second half is after this, and it continues all the way up. Now, this is an accessible part of the maze, but we can't access it from this part. We have to actually travel alongside the out perimeter here, and we're not going to add any torches to the outer perimeter because the outer perimeter is still open. So adding torches would defeat the purpose because the sun is still blazing. So that would defeat the purpose. So that's done. Now we have to worry about this entire big chunk right here, which is going to take a couple of days to get done, I'm assuming. Well, I'm pretty sure it is going to take a couple of days to get done because of what we had to experience with these two small slithers right here. But yep, so we are done. We are going to be moving forward. I don't know if I'm going to finish it today or work on learning the agents later, but whatever the case may be, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.